Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the evening news bulletin on Family Writers Press International. I am Mary Kanu. Tonight we lead with a significant and firm declaration from the indigenous people of Biafra. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has issued a strong press statement declaring its leadership's full authority to protect Biafran territory and people from what it describes as existential threats posed by Fulani herdsmen, Islamic jihadists, and associated terror groups. In a statement dated 30th April 2026 and signed by Mazi Chikadibia Edozium, head of the Directorate of State DOS, IPOB said the Nigerian government and its security agencies have proven unwilling and incapable of safeguarding lives and property in the region. IPOB accused politicians of Biafran extraction, state governors, community leaders, and traditional rulers of abdicating their responsibilities to protect the land and its people. Whereas the Fulani herdsmen, Islamic jihadists, and Fulani terror groups have become an existential threat to the disparate nations that make up the contraption called Nigeria. The statement read, it further noted that, given this vacuum in protection, the leadership of IPOB has received a direct mandate from the Biafran people to secure borders, protect lives, and ensure a peaceful environment across Biafraland. The Directorate of State outlined several key positions. 1. The IPOB leadership has the mandate from the Biafran people to protect Biafraland and all residents living peacefully within the territory. 2. The DOS, acting on this mandate, holds the authority to deploy operatives of the Eastern Security Network, ESN, to any community or part of Biafran territory to eliminate security threats from Fulani herdsmen, terror groups, and Islamic jihadists. 3. The DOS will not seek permission from any community leader, traditional ruler, or politician before assigning ESN operatives to deal decisively with threats. 4. IPOB intelligence units have been directed to proactively identify planned invasions or activities by these groups, providing coordinates for immediate ESN response. The statement emphasized that the Directorate of State is aware of certain individuals in some communities allegedly collaborating with the Nigerian state to facilitate unhindered access for Islamic jihadists and Fulani terrorists. The DOS want to assure them that we have unassailable intelligence on who they are and their activities of sabotaging ESN operatives and betrayal of our land. We can only ask them to desist before it is too late, the statement warned. This latest position from IPOB comes amid ongoing tensions over alleged insecurity in parts of the Southeast and South-South regions, where residents have repeatedly complained about attacks, kidnappings, and encroachment linked to herdsmen activities. Family Writers Press International will continue to monitor developments and provide updates on this unfolding situation.